Lapu-Lapu City Mayor Junard Ahong Chan has declared his support for the presidency of Davao City Mayor Sara Duterte. The presidential daughter has Chan's support should she seek to run in the 2022 elections. The Lapu-Lapu mayor's support became evident when his car was seen with the sticker magnet of the Davao City Mayor bearing the caption, "Ituloy ang pagbabago." Chan said the sticker magnet was given to him by friends. It can also mean he is supporting the Lady Mayor if she joins the presidential race in 2022. The Cebuano mayor is a member of the Partido Demokratiko Pilipino, Lakas ng Bayan. PDP Laban is a party of President Rodrigo Duterte.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.